Hey everybody, I hope that you picked up this book, Smile and Succeed for Teens, at registration. If not, hopefully we've talked about this earlier and I can get the book to you somehow. If we haven't talked about it, make sure that you let me know in email or post something in Google Classroom that says you need this book, because we are going to be using this all semester. If you turn in the beginning to the introduction page, it's on page 1. And if you ever are wondering what chapter we're on or what page to go to, there is a contents area that'll tell you the title and the page. So go back to introduction, turn to page 1. The page numbers are in the upper right-hand corner. And here we go. Again, this is just the introduction. So, smiling can be a competitive advantage. It makes every person feel a little better and every situation a little brighter. And Richard Branson said that. And he's the founder of Virgin Group, a leading international investment group. And I'm pretty sure he's a very successful millionaire. So, all right, the power of a smile. When I was a teen, I had a successful paper route, then a lawnmowing service. Later, I worked on the grounds crew at a golf course. Good people skills were the key to my success. So I'm going to pause there for a minute. Actually, no, I'm not, because this is just what I was going to say. You may wonder exactly, what are people skills? How do I learn them? The good news is, having good people skills is not that complicated. This book shows you exactly what you need to know. In today's wired world, cell phones and other electronics, texting and email are a reality. This makes having great people skills even more important. Smile and Succeed for Teens is based on my award-winning first book, Smile, Sell More with Amazing Customer Service. And the guy writing this introduction is Kurt Manecki. Written for employers and employees. Because all your teachers, even though we love school and we love teaching you guys, we want you all to not just be our students, but graduate and become employers or employees and contribute to our society by getting a job. So, let me see here. Written for employers and employees, Smile received praise not only for the business community, but also from parents and educators. Every teen in America needs to read this book, one parent exclaimed. It teaches important people skills kids need to succeed in their job and in life. With input from a variety of teens, educators, and parents, I created a customized version of Smile, which is this book, just for you. Like my first book, the tips and techniques on the following pages are based on the same proven customer service and sales methods used by successful businesses all over the world. These techniques will help you make more friends and earn money. And those are things that a lot of people really want. In addition, I've added valuable information on finding and keeping a job. Keeping a job is important. Overcoming stress, not just in the workforce, but even at school, and it's a pretty stressful time now. And the benefits of volunteering. And that doesn't mean like volunteer work, like going and picking up trash along the side of the road, but even if you're sitting in class and you raise your hand to answer a question, that's volunteering to answer a question. And that can be scary and cause some stress sometimes, so we're going to work on that. Good people skills are essential for landing a job and succeeding in your career. Getting a job can be very challenging and frightening, just like school. Smile and Succeed for Teens can help you stand out during a job interview. It can help make you a superstar employee, the type companies jump through hoops to have on their team. People skills are among the top skills businesses expect when interviewing and hiring. Employers everywhere are saying that young people lack the people skills critical to be successful at work. So just because you're in social thinking class and it is about thinking socially, working on your people skills, that doesn't mean that you're the only one struggling with this. I did when I was a teenager, and many of your peers, even at this school, struggle with it as well. Good people skills are also essential if you are starting your own business, whether selling items from your garden at your local farmer's market, babysitting, lawn mowing, landscaping, tutoring, or working at a restaurant. You can smile and succeed. Developing face-to-face communication skills is extremely important for young people. Personal relationships depend on them. So does success at school. No other presents valuable people skills. I'm sorry, I read that wrong. I was wondering. No other book presents valuable people skills customized for teens in such a short, simple format than this book. You can read a chapter at a time and learn a new technique in just a few minutes. The contents can be read in any order. You can start today and have fun doing it. So that's the good thing about this book. I'm not asking you guys to change your personality. If you're not a people person, I'm not going to say you need to be one to get a job, because that's not true. We all know very successful people who are not necessarily homecoming king or queen. You know what I mean? So the tips and tricks in this book have nothing to do with your personality. They are things that you can do to make you seem like a more of a people person, and also help you communicate and have a good relationship with others. So listed below is exactly what that's going to do. This book will help you develop people skills critical to success in a wired world with technology, boost your self-esteem and confidence dealing with people, master people skills to create successful relationships with friends, parents, teachers, and customers, interview like a pro and get that job, develop customer service and sales skills to succeed on the job, be comfortable and confident, become a successful young entrepreneur, enjoy volunteering and working more than you have ever imagined. You'll learn how easy it can be to impress your friends and family, satisfy your customers, give back to your community as a volunteer, and create donors, people who donate to fundraisers and nonprofit organizations. The quick, easy steps will help you treat people with respect. And that's all everybody's looking for. You'll have more confidence at school and work. Your new people skills will make your customers smile and come back for more. You'll be comfortable selling and fundraising. You'll notice people coming back and talking positively about you. And again, this isn't, if you don't have a job right now, that's fine. This is to also help you in the school environment. But like I said earlier, overall, as a teacher, yes, I want you to learn everything in school, but I want you to graduate high school and become a contributing member of society, which means getting a job, and these skills are important for getting any job. All right, now on page 5, this is the last page of the introduction, how to get the most out of this book. This book is a handbook. It is not a textbook. There won't be a quiz at the end. If these ideas are new to you, you may want to take some time to digest and practice each chapter before moving on to the next. So, we are not going to have quizzes or tests, but we will be practicing the best that we can on video. So, like I said in the description of this class, you will have to talk to teachers, you will have to talk to peers, and you will have to talk to other adults, not just teachers, to practice these skills and communication skills in general. The top 10 people skills will help you achieve success in school, work, and life. If you take away nothing else from this book, These 10 powerful techniques will help you create awesome relationships. And that's what social thinking is about. Strong people skills produce a high degree of success in anything you do. Take a few minutes or longer each week or month to review the entire book so the best practices become a habit. Be sure to read all the chapters whether you are currently employed or not. So whether you have a job or not. Some tips in this book may not seem important now, but the author is saying that every tip in this book you will need at some point in your life. Whether or not you have a job or will soon be working, the tips in this book will help you make more friends and succeed in school. Reviewing this book regularly will keep you sharp and others delighted. All right, so that's our intro just to get a background feel for this book. Again, no tests or quizzes, just practicing. Also, let me know if you do not have this book yet and we will get it to you.